Hello everyone, and how is it going? I hope your day's treating you right. I hope the markets are working in your favor. It is time to take a look at 4 areas that I'm going to watch as I trade, and I'm going to tell you why. Now today, all of these are going to be coming below where price is currently trading on the NQ. Let's start with our first line down, which is going to bring us to 15720. This is an area that very recently functioned as support, and in my mind, this is going to be the main area that at present, at the time of this video, the bears need to break through in order to keep going lower. If we do break through it, we have 15580 marked off. It's a lower area of support that when in the past we climbed above it, we back tested it as support and launched up higher. If we lose that, just below it even farther, we have 15460. It's a lower area of both support and resistance that has been used recently, but should be quite interesting if we reapproach because it's been long enough. Now down below that even further, we have 15330, an even lower area of support. All of these are areas I will watch if we do continue to have a bearish retracement. Good luck, happy trading, I'll see you all very soon.